The death is announced of our beloved husband, father, grandfather, uncle, brother, and friend, Lambert Evans Flood, also known as Best or Ras, from Grace V4, who resided in Bruceville V4. He passed away on Sunday, 17 July 2022, at the age of 63. The funeral service for the late Lambert Evans Flood, also known as Best, will be held on Friday, 26 August 2022, at Our Lady of the Assumption Catholic Church V4 at 3 p.m. Then the body will be laid to rest at the Latony Cemetery. The body now lies at Lazarus Funeral Home, New Dock Road, V4. May he rest in perfect peace. Special request from the family. All well-wishers are asked to wear a touch of red, green, and gold